So you tell me you bought a Dell Latitude 3390, and you bought a Gumdrop case for it because you're smarter than the average consumer. You hear it uses thermoplastic polyurethane to protect it against accidental damage like repeated 4-foot drops, and whatever it is I'm doing here. You know it's got a clear polycarbonate front and rear shell for scanning asset tags, yet remains slim enough to fit into charging carts. You have this technology, but no one told you that you would have to install it yourself. Well, no fear. In a few quick seconds, you can have your case and eat it too. Use it. You could use the case as well. Just place the bottom half of the laptop into the bottom half of the case and snap it into place. Then place the top half of the case onto the top half of the laptop and, you guessed it, snap that into place too. And that is literally it. A minute-long video on a process that takes less than 10 seconds. You're welcome, Internet. So, if you happen to have clicked on this video before you managed to purchase your Dell Latitude 3390 Gumdrop case, you're honestly over-prepared on research. Visit gumdropcases.com today and request your free demo unit, because your device doesn't bounce, but in 10 quick seconds, it could be ready to hit the floor. Not the dance floor. I told you guys I'm not dancing up here.